Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable Bluetooth speaker you can take on your next adventure. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Zealot S56. Let's get started. Product feature. The Zealot S56 is built for rhythm and soul, delivering an incredibly deep and impactful bass performance that brings out the best in every music genre you love to hear. Experience raw power with a robust 40-watt output driven by a 57mm super steel Canon driver, ensuring your favorite tracks are always loud, transparent, and crystal clear. Every note feels vibrant and alive thanks to a sound signature that creates a full-bodied, immersive listening environment, whether you're playing pop or mellow tunes. The innovative 3D surround sound mode transforms your listening space, wrapping you in a dynamic audio landscape that simulates the magic of a live concert. Take your music anywhere with an IPX6 waterproof rating, allowing you to enjoy tunes by the pool, at the beach, or even in the rain without worrying about damage. Keep the party going from morning to night with a long-lasting battery that supports up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth 5.2, providing a stable and efficient wireless link to your devices so you can focus on the music rather than pairing. Pros: this speaker is a dream for anyone who loves a soulful audio experience. The bass is rich and thumping, making your favorite songs feel truly alive, while the 40-watt output ensures everyone hears the music. We love the rugged, waterproof build that lets you relax at pool parties without stress, and that 12-hour battery life keeps the good vibes going all day long. Cons: while the rugged build is great for protection, its utilitarian look might not match delicate home decor. Also, the heavy bass focus is perfect for parties, but could feel a bit much if you prefer a flat, neutral sound for quiet classical listening. Final thoughts: this speaker is more than just a gadget. It's a companion for your most cherished memories. Whether you are camping under a starry sky or sharing laughs in your backyard, the audio quality adds a beautiful warmth to the air. It balances tough durability with high-end performance, letting you carry your soundtrack anywhere. It is a heartfelt choice for every music lover. I hope this helps you find your perfect sound. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and keep the music playing.